And anniversaries today. Why don't you kick us off? Who are we starting with here?
All right, we got Revan Green turning 4 years old in Fredonia. Happy birthday, Revan.
All right, we've also got Ellie Wright turning 7 over in Galena. Happy birthday, Ellie.
And we have Case Ulepich, a second grader at Southeast Elementary in Cherokee, celebrating birthday number 8.
Garrett McRoberts, Neotiche. Oh no, now a teenager. No, that's all right. Happy birthday, Garrett.
And we also got Race Herlocker turning 14 in Girard. Man, must be good to feel 14, don't it?
Oh, I miss those good old days. Hey, we got another 14, Wiley Evans in Columbus, riding a big old tractor there. That tractor looks awesome. Happy birthday to you, Wiley.
Ah, that's a nice ride, yeah. Aiden Long is turning 15 years old this year. Aiden is in Neosho.
Joey Marlowe, 17 in Bronson, Kansas. Happy birthday, Joey.
We've got Samantha Brutchen turning 18 in Girard. It's Samantha's golden birthday. Happy very 18th birthday to you, Samantha.
Love the throwback picture in the little party dress there.
And we also got Roman Hurlbert turning 18 in Pittsburgh, and it's his golden birthday as well. And for those who don't know what a golden birthday means, it's basically turning the same age as the same day. As today is November 18th, and he is turning 18. This makes today his golden birthday as well.
All right.
And we've got Sydney Frankenberry celebrating birthday number 19 this year in Frontenac. Happy birthday coming from your grandparents.
Alexis Sanchez, 23 in Chanute. Happy birthday, Alexis. Awesome picture there.
And if it's Alexis' birthday, then it's also Lainey Irie's birthday, who happens to be Alexis' daughter. She's celebrating one in Chanute as well.
All right, talk about a special birthday present there. We've got Rachel Morgan celebrating birthday number 28 in Carthage. Happy birthday, Rachel.
And in Arma, Rosie Henley, you see her pictured there in the middle in the purple. Rosie is celebrating birthday number 48 this year.
In Frontenac, 80 years old today for Pat Glore. Happy birthday, Pat.
And we also got Martin Henderson turning 90 years old in Elsmore, Kansas. He is also one of our many four-state heroes, one of our new heroes just now coming into the system. He will air in January.
All right, we've got Tina Walker celebrating a birthday in McCune, and this comes with love from the kids and grandkids. Happy birthday, Tina.
All right, Tracy Clugston celebrating another year wiser. What a great holiday picture there of Tracy in Columbus.
Sudie Seipert from Columbus. Happy birthday from your past students.
And rounding out our picture list is Bill and Johnny Trotnick celebrating a 62nd anniversary.
Wow.
And this comes with love from family and friends.
But our list doesn't end there, does it, Tanya?
No, it doesn't. We've got Patty Street in Columbus celebrating another year older.
Crystal Buckner, 45 in Pittsburgh.
And a couple more anniversaries. Dennis and Vicki Galloway celebrating their 34th anniversary, and Randy and Lisa Alsip celebrating their 17th anniversary in Crestline. And we want to make sure that we continue to have this list grow. That way we can put the burden onto Will's predecessor. So Will, where can they send those birthdays?
You can send them by two different ways. You can either do birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com, or you can go on over to our website at KOAMNewsNow.com, where you can submit online information for all the birthdays. Be sure to include the age, the date of the birthday, the hometown, which is local, and age is optional as well, and a good quality picture, family friendly, and everything that you need to know so we can air your birthday properly here on KOAM.
There you go.
And hey, there you go. There's those email addresses for you. And Shannon, I want to ask you, there's something else you can do at our website that's related to birthdays. Do you remember what that is?
I don't know if I remember. Do I remember? Oh, the birthday club. Yeah, that's right. And it's like Will is like the president of the birthday club. He's leaving. You know, that's
It's sad.
It bothers me.
We're
How
gonna
about
miss
that?
him. And all of, make sure you still submit all your family members that we missed. We'll want that.
You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. Go to our website, sign up. Special deals from local businesses. It's KOAMNewsNow.com, and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
All right.